Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an amazing editable 3D text effect in Adobe Illustrator. I will teach you the complete process, so stay connected. First, select the rectangle tool and click. Here apply your artboard dimensions. Align this with artboard. Now I am going to apply the gradient to it. Go to the gradient panel and click. Use this color code for one side color. And this code for the other side color. Change it to a radial gradient. Select the gradient tool and set the ratio. Now select the ellipse tool and create a circle. Change fill to outline. And apply this gradient. Set one side opacity to 0%. And follow me in that process. Now select this rectangle. Create a copy of it. And paste it in front. Bring this to the front. Select rectangle and raise both. And go to the object menu and clip mask or press Ctrl+7. Change its blend mode to overlay and set opacity to 40%. Now select both of them and press Ctrl+2 to lock this. Then select your type tool and type your text. Increase its size. And change the case to upper. And change the font to Cooper Black. Link to the fonts mentioned in the description. You can click to download. Change its fill to none. Then go to the Appearance panel. And click on the Add New Fill button. Change its color to white. Click on the Duplicate button. And change its fill color to this gray. Then go to the Effect button, Distort and Transform, then Transform. And follow my settings here. Select the white fill and create a duplicate of it. And apply the gradient to it. Use these color codes for gradient. Select and then drag this down. And apply the transform effect to it. Follow my transform settings. Create a duplicate of it. And change its color to this. And hide this. Select this gradient fill and apply the offset path. Follow my offset path settings. Create a duplicate of it. And change its gradient. Use these color codes for gradient. And apply new transform effect to it. Click on Apply a new effect. Follow my transform settings. Now show this fill and change the color on it. Use these color codes for this. Select this fill and apply Gaussian blur to it. And follow my blur settings. And set the opacity to 60%. Now select this bottom gradient layer. Create a duplicate of it. And change its color to this. Apply new transform effect to it. Follow my transform settings. Now add a Gaussian blur effect to it. Follow my blur settings. Now create a duplicate of it. And open effects and apply change to the transform effect. And change its opacity to 40%. Increase its blur as well. Now select this gradient fill. And apply inner glow to it. Follow my inner glow settings. And now select this gray fill. And apply inner glow to it. Follow my inner glow settings. Finally, time to add these eyebrows. And that's it. Double-click on it and you can change the text easily. If there is any question, you can ask in the comments section. Head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic-related tutorials. Thank you for watching.